myself Swapna Mishra. I am here to discuss about my problem which I had in the month of September, which is chikungunya. So at that period of time, chikungunya was in its peak. So I also got that chikungunya disease, but somehow I recovered from it. But then post chikungunya problem, which is joint pain and all, exists very much in my body. So I used to have a severe joint pains in my wrist, then elbow joints, shoulder, and I have gained a lot of weight also. Then somebody told me about to take a treatment from rheumatologist. Once I went to the rheumatologist, all the problems I felt ki it is cured, joint pains and all are cured, but I was gaining some weight. After a few months of time, I got a boil in my armpit. I don't know which was due to some heat in the medicines and all. So I had gone through a surgery for that. Once the surgery is done, the doctor told me to stop the medicines of rheumatologist. And immediately after stopping the medicines, those joint pain problem persist again. So I thought I have done so much of investment in myself, went to the doctor, taken medicines of 6,000, 7,000 every month. And if this is the result by stopping the medicine for just 1 month, I'm not gonna go to the rheumatologist and allopathy again. So then I came to know about Ayurvedic treatments. One of my friends suggested me. So I came to the center Ayush Ayurveda, and the doctor here is very nice. He guided me very well. And there is a treatment in Ayurveda which is Panchkarma, and a part of Panchkarma is Basti treatment, which I have taken it for chikungunya. So when I have started this Panchkarma treatment, which is Basti, for initial 2 days I felt I don't know whether I have taken a good decision or not. But then slowly to day 3 and day 4, I felt like there is a different energy in my body. The pain is reducing, the weakness is going. Also, all my muscle knots are open. Once the therapy came to the end, it was around 14 days therapy for me. And the day when the therapy came to end, I checked my weight, so I lose a lot of weight also. And very much inches lost as well. So this treatment is very much beneficial for me, and I would suggest if anybody is suffering from such kind of pain, joint pains or post chikungunya pains, they can visit to Ayurveda center. And it's not like I'm not giving my review like this. I have completed my therapy and next day I came down to give my review. So around 3 weeks I have just taken my time of about 3 weeks, and when I felt everything is okay in my body, I am feeling better. I'm having that energy because I used to sleep in day and then I used to sleep in night also. So I was very lethargic, lazy. But post this treatment, I have that energy. I can wake up in the morning. I'm going to the exercises. I'm doing exercises. I'm lifting up the weight. So the situation was I was not able to lift this mobile phone or a spoon. But now I can even lift a 5 kg of weight, 10 kg weight. So this thing is very beneficial for me. So I would recommend this Ayurvedic therapy, which is Basti, to everyone who wants better result, who want to get rid of these joint pains and all. You do visit Ayush Ayurveda Center, they will guide you well.